Over the past few weeks, we've seen calls for changes to the way police conduct their business. A team in Longmont has been working on just that for years now. Now it has become a model being replicated around the nation. Jeff Todd joins us live in Longmont tonight. Jeff, this model changes how police respond to calls.
Karen, it's called the CORE team, Crisis Outreach, Response, and Engagement. 3 experts in different fields, one in first aid, one in behavioral health, and one in safety. And for the people that they're interacting with, it is making a significant difference.
It's completely different than normal police work.
The CORE team is made up of an officer, a social worker, and a paramedic.
We're really trying to engage that population and break down a lot of the barriers that have previously existed between the police and those that have mental health issues.
Hey, Bradley. For new calls around mental health issues, the priority is de-escalation and assessing the situation.
Decisions are being made differently about sending people to jail and charging people that have mental health issues now, and that's a big piece of what we do, is trying to divert away from that system and get them the appropriate help that they need in that moment, rather than just chalking it up as a criminal event and we're going to resolve it by a ticket or going to jail. That's not what we want to do.
Other times the team is following up on citizens they've known to have mental health challenges.
And that's really where we're building those relationships. We're helping them gain the confidence in themselves by us being a positive part of their life.
Longmont police say they've seen suicide rates decline and seen some members of the community thrive, no longer needing intervention.
The relationships that they have with this population are becoming better by the day because of the work that this team's putting in.
We prioritize calls for service.
Somebody really does care about you, and it's the police department.
The COVID-19 pandemic has played a big role in how the CORE team has responded. Before, they used to have a majority of their interactions with people they had already had experience with. Since the pandemic has hit, a huge increase in new people that they are talking with. Longmont's hoping to add a 3rd CORE team by the end of the year. We're live in Longmont tonight. Jeff Todd covering Colorado First.
Jeff, they're doing a great job.